This will be our first time in open water, and I am nervous, but it's exhilarating too. We'll see what happens.
Oh my God, yeah.
We're about 15 nautical miles out of the Carrabelle River, which is about 10 nautical miles out of the pass between St. George and Dog Island. And it's rough out here, but not too bad. Mostly just very exciting. It's rolling hard, and it's really cold. But it's really fucking beautiful too. The clarity of the water is like looking into somebody's eyes, which sounds trite, but it's really true. It's mesmerizing.
It's March 13th, around 6:30. And the sun's just about to set, and we opted for the storm jib to run on our beam reach here as we go into the night. The wind is supposed to build. I think we're around 20 knots right now, gusting maybe 25, and the seas are maybe 5 feet, maybe 6, and with a really short period between the waves, so it's just rolling like crazy. But just with the storm jib right now, we're carrying around 4.5 knots, 5 knots.
Where are we?
We're somewhere in the middle of the Gulf. Last night we kind of had an extended dog leg out into the western part of the Gulf because our self-steering system was just cruising, and we kind of rolled with it, and now we're kind of fighting our way back.
Correcting course,
yeah. So we are looking at another night tonight out in the Gulf. We were hoping to get this trip over by this evening, but we still have another 70 miles to go. The waves and the wind were too big and too gusty this morning to get out the camera. We're starting to realize that experiencing it and filming it are two very different things. And just getting through it is hard enough as it is. So now it's starting to calm down a little bit, and hopefully we'll have a calm evening.
Last night was really cold and really wet, and we were both pretty seasick. But we made it. We're gonna do another one. And we're gonna be just fine. And then we're gonna make it to Clearwater, and it's gonna be awesome.
We just spotted land coming into the Anclote Key. We've been out on the water now for roughly 50 hours. Feeling really tired. I've slept maybe 6 hours in that time. I think when we set out, I had a lot to say about adventuring and the human spirit. And now, after having been in open water for 50 hours, feeling like I have less to say about those things. But I have a new definition of what awesome means. The water is gone back to its normal kind of soft green color, probably about 20 feet here. And we've left the deep, deep dark blue of the middle of the Gulf. And I have to say I'm happy to see land.